How to make my parrot talk. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make your parrot talk. Parrots are intelligent birds that have a unique way of communicating with their owners. However, it may take some time and patience to train your parrot to talk. Here are some tips on how to make your parrot talk. 1. Start with basic commands. The first step in teaching your parrot to talk is to start with basic commands such as sit, stay, come, and stop. These commands will help your bird learn to follow simple instructions. 2. Practice consistently. Consistency is key when it comes to teaching your parrot to talk. Make sure to practice these commands every day, at the same time, and in the same location. This will help your bird memorize the commands. 3. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is the most effective way to train your parrot to talk. Reward your bird with treats, toys, or praise when they follow your commands correctly. This will encourage your bird to continue learning and speaking. 4. Vary your vocabulary. Varying your vocabulary can help your bird learn new words and phrases. Try using different sounds, words, and phrases when speaking to your bird. This will make the training process more engaging and enjoyable for both you and your bird. 5. Seek professional help. If you are having difficulty training your parrot to talk, seek the help of a professional. A trained parrot trainer can provide you with additional tips and techniques to help your bird learn faster. Remember, training a parrot takes time and patience. However, the rewards are worth it when you see your bird learning and speaking new words and phrases. Good luck and have fun!